Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently disable automatic updates in Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in Windows 10 or 11, and then from here what we're going to do to permanently disable automatic updates is click on your start menu, and from here go into the start search bar, and then from here you're going to want to type services right here and open the services app. And then from here you want to wait for it to open, and then from here you want to go and click on any name, select any name, and press W so that you would be redirected to the W named services right here. And then you want to find Windows Update, this one right here. As you can see, it says Windows Update, and you want to right click on it and then go into its properties right here. Click on properties. And then from here, you want to make sure that the startup type of the service is set into disabled right here. And then one thing also is go into recovery. And then from here, you want to go for the first failure. Make sure that it is set into take no action right here so that it won't be restarting the service if it is failing to start. So once you have done it, you click on OK. Click on apply first and then OK, and after that you can now close it right here. And now you can now see that the automatic updates on your Windows system is now permanently disabled, and that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.